Namaha. On this auspicious occasion, from today, from 1st of June, we are going to have a 21-day Yoga Sadhana Abhyana. And today we are very happy that we were blessed by His Holiness Jagadguru Sri Chinnajiyar Swamiji of the Ramanuja Parampara. We are here at the Samata Murti of Ramanujacharya at Saketapuram. And we just now got the blessings of Sri Tirudandi Chinnajiyar Ramanuja Swamiji. And with these blessings and blessings of all our yoga gurus. So I am very happy today on behalf of the Indian Yoga Association, which is the common platform, the big banyan tree, the umbrella of all yoga gurus, all yoga paramparas and all yoga masters, acharyas, on behalf of our chairperson, Sri Sri Vishankar Guruji, on behalf of our president, Mahansa Jayadevji, and on behalf of our Guruji, Dr. Kachar Nagendra Guruji, and all the Guru Parampara. I'm very happy to announce the launch of this 21-day Yoga Sadhana Abhyana, which is taken by our dear Yoga Narayana. And here in this whole ashrama, everywhere, Jai Shriman Narayana, Jai Shriman Narayana is a mantra we are hearing. Ramanuja climbed up to the tall tower of Tirukoštiyur and called upon all the people of the universe, Seravari Jagatire, and he proclaimed the Ashtakshari mantra of Sriman Narayana Maha Mantra to the entire world. So today we have an Abhinava Ramanuja, Tirudandi Chinnajiyar Swamiji, in whose Sannidhi we are here and launching this program. So we are so happy that through this we want lakhs of people to benefit. So from tomorrow onwards, every day morning, I was told 5 to 6:30 there is going to be a Yoga Sadhana led by our Yoga Narayana, and followed by Yoga Jnana, Yoga Abhyasa, followed by Yoga Jnana. Jnana is also very important. Jnana, to know about yoga, to know why we are practicing yoga, what are the different aspects of yoga, what is the food, lifestyle, health, everything that we need to follow. All those guidance will be given by great experts. We are happy with us. Gauri is today being with us, and people like Gauri and various other masters from all over the world are going to join in this everyday Yoga Sadhana Abhyana. This is called Yoga Sindura. Through this Yoga Sadhana, we are going to offer Sindura to our Bharat Mata, to all the Mahila of our Bharat. Just now we know the Operation Sindhu is going on. So this is another operation to strengthen our country. Only if each and every individual is healthy, with holistic health, not just physically, but mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, then Bharat can become a Jagat Guru. Therefore, this is a Swasthya Bharat Abhiyan towards making Bharat a Shrestha Bharat. So, yoga for my health and yoga for the nation's strength. So, with this, the Ghoshana.
Yoga for me, I am for the nation.
So, Yoga Sindur for individual health and national strength. Individual health and national strength. And yoga for me. And me, I am for the Rashtra. So, it's a Rashtra Yajna. Each and everyone who is going to participate, our Lakshya is 1 Laksha. Our Lakshya is Laksha. Laksha not in Dabbu, not in Duddu. Laksha Hridaya, Laksha Atma. We want to, go and reach 1 lakh souls. So from 1 lakh souls, this Yajna, Yoga Yajna for Bharat Mata is going to happen. It's a free Yajna, everyone freely can participate. It's free. Last day on 22nd, when the Maha Samarpana happens in the blessings of all gurus, then our request is each at 1 lakh people, if each one of us offer at least minimum 1 rupee, each one if can offer 1 rupee, then it can become a great yoga nidhi that would be offered for our Bharatiya army. It will be sent to the Bharatiya army through the Prime Minister, Shriman Narendra Modi, who is himself a great yogi and our Guru Bandhu. Therefore, my humble request, all of you to join hands in this Yoga Yajna, which is launched by Sri Narayana. Let's all join hands together in this Yoga Yajna, Rashtra Yajna. Let's all, be the ghee, the samit offered. Dhanyavad. Bharat Mata ki jai.